The person is still on this live session. We can let me know. Let the person just tell me what I should analyze. I've actually. So what am I analyzing? What am I analyzing? What am I analyzing? What am I analyzing? I guess the person said something about gold. Gold. Okay. Okay. I'll still say I'm bearish on gold. Actually, I'm bearish on gold because we've seen the market has actually been refusing to take out this high. Because I expected gold to go back up to this point and sell. Now sweeping out liquidity on these sides like this. Now this, I guess this liquidity, this pattern of liquidity is what I taught my mentees. That was which day? Was it Wednesday? And I also posted the link for just a few minutes because I just wanted you guys to also benefit, but then I had to take down the link. But okay, since gold is refusing to break out on this point, since gold is refusing to just take out all these highs, basically, we can see that the market has already printed out. Market has already printed out an equal high, right? Now, if you scale it down to the smaller time frame, let's say people that trade trend line, what just happened here? Market created another equal here. Another equal. Now, people will say, okay, this point now, the market has gotten to this point, and because the market has taken out this liquidity here, the red line is liquidity for me. In any of my charts, you see, red line is liquidity. So the liquidity here, the market just took it out. And on this zone, what just happened? The market gave us on the lower time frame here, the market just, I'm coming, sorry, okay, let me see. All right, so on this zone, on the lower time frame, the market just gave us, because it was going up, it was moving up, it was going in an uptrend. So the market gave us a little change of character on the lower time frame. Now, giving us a change of character, because now what is a change of character? Like I always say, a change of character is basically a change in direction of the market. So the market was going, let's say, going up. Now the market did something like this at this 1, 2. The market did something like this. It created an equal, came back down, came back here, and started selling. Now, okay. You guys should not mind my drawing that much. So the market created an equal. So now at this point, the change of character is basically the change of direction in the market. So the market had already given us a low, lower high, no, sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? Or equal high, sorry, equal high, then gave us a low, lower high, lower low. This point here is a change of character, because if it did something like this and continue moving up, this is just basically a break of structure. Break of structure is just the market just broke that place and continue moving. So at this point now, we can call this other one. In most cases, we see a change of character and a break of structure. So in this case, we can call this a break of structure. This is how I'm mapping out these guys now. So now at this point, we can see this long candle. We can see this one. It needs to be mitigated at some point. So what do we do? This area like this would be mapped out as my...
Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me? Okay, I really don't know who was saying hello, but you can just use the chat box. Okay, fine. So this area here would be my area of interest now. Man, Shama, thank you, man. So I teach the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. So, okay. Now, this area at this point will be our area of interest. This is on gold, right? Now, this market should not be something we should see in a different light. You trade what you see. That is how I trade. So I like to teach people around me, my mentees, anybody, people, my members, anybody, how to do this thing. So for the fact this is my area of interest, I was about saying the market, I expect the market to tap into this point. Now, the mistake most people do is most of them just put a trade here. And because it's their area of interest, they put the trade here and they put it at the previous high. Now, this is giving us about 32 pips. I am not doing. I am not doing. 32 pips to target 10 pips. That is poor. I am not doing. 32 pips to target 32 pips to target 27 pips. I am not doing. If I'm not getting something like this on any of my trades, minimum of 1:2, I am not taking that trade because it is not a good investment. We want to buy and sell at the best price. So let's just say if it's at this point now, it's something that is worth doing. So now at this point, what do I expect? I still want to see the market. A lot of people now, most of them, they use the 50%. Now that one is something I teach in my mentorship, and is about range, price range, and knowing where to place your entries and all. So back to what I was saying. I'm sorry, I'll just have to.
Please let Mr. Joseph mute himself.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to. I just had to mute him. Sorry. We're not hearing ourselves clearly, so I had to mute. Okay, we're back. Yeah, we're back. So now this gold, what do I expect? I want to see something like this for gold. I might look to trade this gold because it's giving me something that I like. So I might see gold do something like this. Now a lot of people will start rushing in to buy and to start selling. Gold might go to this point to fill up orders at this point. Now people are like, it don't go. You get? Now we'll see something like this, or continue moving for gold, right? But I want to see this point, this area of interest is what I want to see gold tap into. So I might see gold jump on this point and I'll take the trade. I might wait for it to still push up because I want to sell it at a very good price, right? Even if you draw your trend line, the retail traders we call, it's fine. Joseph, it's fine, don't worry, it's fine. So The retail traders will call this thing manipulation. But in actual sense, it's just the market taking our liquidity. Basically, it's just the market taking our liquidity, right? So if the market should just do something like this and continue moving, why retail traders are calling it manipulation, people like us that likes to trade like the institutions, okay, USD, CHF, that's fine, no problem. So people like us that likes to trade like the institutions, we wait, we call this just liquidity sweep. So I want to see the market. Now, mind you, the market doesn't go in one direction. The market just doesn't go like this, come back down like this, like this, like this. No. All these points you're seeing, people are making good profit from it. People are making good profits from these points. So the market will always give you opportunity to either buy and sell. That's why most times you people will see most people calling sell and I'm buying. And you people are like, how do you know? You guys, you call this market like you, and I'm like, okay. The market will always give you an opportunity to buy even when the market is selling. It's just to know when to jump in and jump out. It's just to know when to jump in and jump out, right? So for gold, I am not taking this trade yet because the stop loss is too big. Almost 34 pips stop loss. I am not doing until I have something at least I don't mind losing $20 on this trade. 20 pips, sorry, 20 pips on this trade. I don't mind. So if it's 20 pips, I'm able to see, fine. But 32 pips, almost 34 pips, I am not doing because it's a poor risk to reward. And today is Friday. I am not ready to swing this trade till Monday. No. I want to be able to at least withdraw every week or every day, depending on what I make in the market. So I won't want to, if I'm taking this trade, I want to say at the end of today, as I'm closing my trade, I'm going to withdraw. Now, people forget to withdraw because they want to just be trading and making money. Please, if you're not withdrawing, the market will take their thing back from you. Meaning you have a lot to lose. You have a lot to also give out. So the market will take it. So if you make profit, withdraw, take a percent out of that profit you've made and reward yourself. After eating food, what do? You drink water. Make food no go choke for your neck. You drink water. Yeah, ask your questions. Ask your questions, no problem.
Sir, I want to ask a question.
Yeah, sure.
Which strategy do you trade? Is it SMC or is it break and retest or supply and demand?
Okay, I actually trade my strategy, which is edge strategy, the edge strategy actually.
Okay,
So,
edge strategy.
Yes, that is my strategy. I sincerely don't know how to do, I understand break and retest, but I'll tell you something about strategy, yeah? People telling you if you trade trend line is not a strategy. Bro, we're here to make money. We're not trading strategy, right? And I'll also tell you something. Understanding is what matters. If you understand it, you see, this market, my strategy can also show you a lot of things you can see in smart money, ICT and all. My strategy can also show you things you will see in break and retest. But this thing, the market gives us opportunity, but we just use names to deceive ourselves most times. Those that trade with, I don't use indicators, but people trade with indicators and they make a lot of money. So take for instance, let's say this market now, break and retest, right? It broke out and you people say it's retesting or something, or it support and resistance. It has gone to the resistance, it's coming back. When it gets to resistance, you sell. When it gets to support, you buy. All these things is still the same thing. We're here to make money, right? So any strategy you're using is good.
Okay. There is this strategy that I'm developing, but I'm still learning. I'm still learning though.
Yeah.
Yeah. This gold now. Which time frame it is? This is weekly, right?
No, this is 3 minutes now. I just took it down to 3 minutes.
Okay. This is 3 minutes. Okay. The type of strategy that I'm just developing now is, if you look down, there is a break of structure to the downside already.
Yeah.
Okay, but I don't trade on 3 minutes or even 3 minutes or 5 minutes. I trade on mostly on 15-minute time frame. You understand?
Yeah.
So what I mostly look out for, let's assume as the market broke down to the downside,
Yes, it's on
I'll be
15
waiting.
minutes now.
Yes, yeah, Now I'll be waiting for a good retest.
At this
So the
point.
50%, yeah, no, take it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Yes,
Good.
I will be looking for a retest to that level. If
Good.
I see a confirmation if I see a confirmation in the 1 minute time frame, then I will be able to
Execute.
take
Now, you
the
see the
trade.
point,
Yes.
right? That is still
Yeah.
what the point is. We've seen that is a retest. It has broken out. The market has broken out like this. Now we want it to retest.
Yes.
And now continue again. It is still the same thing,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
We just deceive ourselves with a lot of names. I tell you, because people are saying support and resistance, which is going up, is coming down. But also this is still structure. So all these things is knowing where to spot out your liquidity actually. So let me see. Somebody asked for USD So for now on this gold, I am not taking this gold till I see anything that will give me at least, maximum of 20 pips stop loss. So USD CHF. Let's go.
I was actually looking for a sell on that pair, but my area was broke, so no confirmation on it.
Okay, for USD CHF for me, let me see. For me on USD CHF, I still see liquidity now. Okay, now this is what we now call the support and resistance. The support and resistance people now, they will say that this is their own market. Is it wrong? No, it's not wrong. So let's see. Good. Okay, you saw the Euro GPY I sent. Somebody is saying he used smart money and it's still the same thing. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's actually what I'm saying. We just use a lot of names to do ourselves strong thing. Yes, now we just use our
And just like when I wanted to learn Elliot, is it Elliot? Elliot's
Elliott wave.
theory. Elliot waves, yes. When I got the PDF, I wanted to read about the strategy. The English is too big. Seriously,
We just use.
the grammar is too big.
People will say, Echo, your strategy, since you're not trading smart money, since you're not trading price action, bro. I am trading what I'm trading, and trust me, this is what I don't do fraud.
Yeah,
I posted where I'm staying. If I'm doing fraud, I won't post it. Trading is what, if you're saying I'm not doing anything, my strategy is not working, please. It's the one fueling my car. It's the one paying the light. So nobody should come and stress me with my strategy works for me. I've been using it to trade for a long time. So yeah, okay, USD CHF. USD CHF, I can still see that is bullish. We can see how many candles, bullish candles. This is on the weekly. This is on the weekly.
Yeah.
Where you, Ola, send me this screenshot. Send me this. Ola has cashed out with the Euro JPY sent. Ola sent me this screenshot in my DM or Telegram. This is actually nice. Like, I like to see people like make so much. Man, let me continue what I was saying. So on on USD CHF, or USD CHF, yeah. Okay, you people are already seeing the money and you're shouting. So we've been bullish.
The guy don't cash out too.
Yes, I sent out that trade since morning. All right, nice. Okay, back to what I was saying. So on USD CHF, we've been bullish actually. This is on the weekly. You can see from on the we've been bullish from this point now till this point. What do we expect to see? Let's scale it down now. But overall, we can say that okay, this guy is bearish. See, if you look at it, like if you draw your trend line, people that is okay now it's now a little bit interesting because people that used to use trend line, they will say this has broken above the trend line and it will continue buying. So they want to see a retest to this trend line and continue buying. It is still correct, but if you don't understand liquidity or the concept of liquidity, I tell you, the market will just go back like this and you think it will just retest. It will start selling, no. But that's not the issue now. So we go back on the daily so that we'll see things clearly. Now, what are we seeing here? It is still bullish. It is still bullish. It has gotten to this point and is finding it a little bit difficult to now the market has broken past this place, this supposed resistance, right? And it's still going up. Now, most likely it will come back a little and take out. I want to see market take out this point, this on USD CHF. I'm still bullish on it. So I want to see the market give me, I'm still going to go down, give me something like this. Now, this trade might not play out today. It might play out next week. So I want to see the market do something like this, take out this liquidity first. This is what I want to see on USD CHF. So we'll go down to the 1 hour. Let me see things even more clear, right? Now mind you, we're bullish, right? Now we have seen sell opportunities. I've actually seen sell opportunity because I've just spotted out liquidity resting around this area, actually. So now in this market, you just need to train your eyes to spot that liquidity ASAP. So what now happened there? People that are trading break and retest and all those guys will say, okay, the market has done this, came back down, went up. Now it has gone back down here. And now it's going to do something like this and it will continue selling. Actually, right? Most likely. So I want to see the market actually come and fill up orders here, sweep out liquidity on this point, or at this region rather. But if you look at it with trend line, people using trend line, I don't downplay people's strategy actually, because my own strategy that works for me now might not work for you. Now, the strategy is based on personalities and people, right? Personalities and people. I like pairs that move very fast. I used to trade gold very well before. I like to trade pairs that they are very rapid. So on USD CHF, I am still bullish on it. But this trade might not play out now because today is Friday. So till next week. This trade might not play out now till next week, right? So what other pair am I looking at? What other pair? What other pair? What other pair? What other pair? Let me even go back to that. Okay. Hola. 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 Hola has milked this market. Okay, this is nice actually. Now you guys can see what happened here. At this point, I expected the market to come back down. Ola say boss na you. Actually, this is nice. Actually, this is nice to see for real. I like to see people around me make so much money and make money and be happy, because this is what we're trading this market so that we'll be financially free. So yeah, I still want to see this market, Ola, and everybody on this channel, on this live session. I want to see this market still go back up here, consolidate at this point. Now, at this point, you people start seeing this kind of choppy movement because the market wants to build up liquidity. So that's what I'm expecting. Now, you guys also, when analyzing, you guys need to understand that pair. But me, my strategy allows me to trade any pair with or without understanding it or trading it every day. If today they bring out salt JPY, I will trade salt JPY because my strategy allows me to analyze any market. If you like, do corn bonvita, I will analyze corn bonvita because my strategy allows me analyze or see the market in that way, like what it's bringing to me. I can spot out where liquidity is and all. So on this guy, now, okay, I just also want to spot out something. People trading chart patterns and candlestick patterns. Let's say chart patterns. Now, we can see that the market has given us what? 1, 2, 3. And now what? A W pattern. Am I correct? People that trade chart pattern. No, okay, now I just saw your question. Like, you're like, boss, on your trading rules, must you take trade at least one every day? No, I trade what I see. Normally, I don't like trading on Mondays, right? But guess what? Most times I trade on Mondays because I have seen opportunity. And I've trained myself to take advantage of opportunities like that. When I see opportunities like that in this market, I'm taking advantage of it. So now on this pair, we can see that this market has already given us something like a W. Now, will I say because I don't use chart patterns, I will now say W is invalid? Now, the market has given me opportunity to also buy and sell. Now, you can see this market has formed W, right? It is still valid. Everybody's strategy is valid, right? Which one is head and shoulder? Spot it out for me. On what time frame are you saying is head and shoulder? What time frame? So I would understand and we'll just now mind you, this is what is it an inverse head and shoulder or I'm on the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame. Where's the head and shoulder? So I would understand. Because this is what if it's an inverse head and shoulder, this is what an inverse head and shoulder looks like. This is what an inverse head and shoulder looks like, right? So this is what it looks like, an inverse head and shoulder. So I don't think I can see any inverse head and shoulder yet. Because where's the head heading from? Or are you saying at this point like this? Are you saying at this point? And this particular head and shoulder is not heading anywhere. You see, it didn't work out. You see, too, it didn't work out. An inverse head and shoulder, it needs to at least, the shoulders need to, even if one wants to be higher than the other one, it should not be much. So an inverse head and shoulder might not really, I'm not seeing an inverse head and shoulder. So yeah, I guess I've actually analyzed a few things and I would say we've been talking for like an hour plus, if not 2 hours. Okay, since 1 o'clock. This is 2. This is almost 2 hours, almost, or an hour plus. So I'll be ending today's live session, and on Monday, I don't understand your question. Put is to equal low. Ola.
Boss.
Yeah, you are saying something.
I say it's put that your tools, just put it to either equal or from the down. So we use the from that top.
From here?
So that just like double top.
Is it from here?
That you put it from liquidity.
From this place, the equal low.
Put it from just put it put the left soda and the both soda, put it from that equal low. Then the edge should be on at the top.
Is it from here like this to this point?
No, it's not from there. Yeah,
from
yeah.
Here?
The soda should be one soda will be it should be from there, please.
Okay, I should start from here. The left shoulder.
Yes, yeah, left shoulder should be there.
Am I going up or down?
Then no. Right, edge should be there.
Here should be. It should be here.
Left shoulder should be there. Right shoulder should be from there equal low. That I mean, that your trend line. Yeah, yes, yeah. Right shoulder should be there. Then head. Yeah, yes, with some. No.
Okay. What you're trying to say is giving something like this.
Like something like X and down soda. You just give us something like X and soda.
Okay. Possibly. But yeah, I've come to the end of today's live session, and I might not trade today because if I see opportunity, I'll take advantage of it. I'll send out the trade. But for now, I am here. I'm not doing anything for now. Liquidity is what moves this market. You said in a simple word, in a nutshell, what is liquidity? Liquidity is what moves this market. That's the simplest word I'll use. Liquidity is what actually moves this market. It can move it to the upside or to the downside or ranging. So liquidity for me is what moves this market. The simplest word I'll use. Right? Yes, now liquidity, truly liquidity is that money now. Actually, this is just it. Liquidity is what moves this market. Any other what's the name? Any other definition is fine, no? That exactly. Like any other definition is fine, but to me, liquidity is what moves this market. It's what money, ego, kudi, or l'argent. So that's what liquidity is, basically. So guys, it was actually good to have you guys here. Trust me, it was really perfect. It was cool to have you guys here. And I'm super excited. I want to say a very big thank you to everybody that stayed till this point, irrespective of the fact that we had little, we saw little shaggy from both Zoom and all these guys. I'm not. I just saw someone's comment in the chat box. He said, "I'm not the liquidity those that buy USDC." See you guys next week. Now this is the problem, yeah. Let's try not to become liquidity. I want to be the one taking out liquidity. I don't want to be liquidity. Oh God, you guys are so fun. All right, guys. Okay, quick one. Let me quickly just say, okay, Shout out to Shegun, Ola, Joseph, Chizoba, Kingsley, everybody on this live session. I just want to say a very big thank you for joining and staying up to this point. And to those that I didn't mention their name also, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. See you guys next week. And on Monday, we'll be having our Monday live session so that we'll see the markets and we'll see what the market is bringing to us exactly. But for now, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, and peace out, guys.